This is one of my favorite moves I like to use to get into this upper part of your back in that trap area, using the Pso Rite on the wall. And the thing that's nice about it is by using the wall, but by bringing your feet out further from the wall, puts this nice pressure onto that muscle that gets so much tension from whatever. You might hold tension here, or when you jog, those shoulders are bouncing up and down. It's putting a lot more tension in that spot. If you're holding any type of backpack, purses or anything, traveling a bunch, that muscle's being used a lot. It's counterbalancing that force. But this can just feel really good, and it's a nice thing you can do at work. Bring this to your work in between your meetings, just getting a nice release, opening that stuff up, getting some blood flow to your brain so you can start thinking properly. And it just feels good because of the angle that you can be able to get into. This is a hard angle to get to on the floor, and you'd have to do some Jimmy rigging for sure. So try this next time you're getting into your traps. Make sure you're moving your neck around. Make sure you're moving your shoulders around. We can always go, so I'm in the both peak position, but I'm still just focusing more weight onto one peak. I'm not pushing both peaks into each other. I'm still focusing just on one, while the other one's lightly touching the other trap. Now I can always go one peak. I can go one peak at a time. Explore here, see if this is an area that's causing some tension in your shoulders. These are all tests. You're just exploring, you're learning about your body. Seeing what muscle is pulling on what area that's causing the issue, and then you massage it, you do light exercises, and you can help clean up that area. I can even go more of a sideways here, and now this peak slowly kind of going up my trap here. This feels kind of like that elbow. Start low and just let it just slowly come up. The other thing too is we can keep it long ways like this, and then I can be able to work into that it's just right above the middle, upper back, lower part of the traps, if you know anatomy, and just having this side peak. Like I said, you gotta explore the peaks because having them in different positions changes everything. And then just make sure you grab the Pso Rite before you get off the wall and before it drops. But moving and exploring. Try that one, that's my favorite. Getting into those traps after a long day will thank me.